Welcome back, guys. In this video I will be showing you how I'll make a DIY x-ray machine. As always, do not repeat this yourself unless you know exactly what you're doing. I've taken safety measures to prevent myself from getting too much radiation exposure, and I think we can now continue. First of all, this is the vacuum tubes that I bought as the first attempt for the x-ray machine. Here it is. Here is the model number V1-0.1/40. This is a Soviet tube. It is a rectifier tube rated for 40 kilovolt. I have two. I will be powering these tubes with a high voltage multiplier that I have covered in the last video. Here it is. Let's take one tube and try to power it on. Let's start at a low voltage. We have 2 amps of current going into the high voltage generator connected to the tube. Let's see if there is X-rays. As you can see, there are none at the moment. Here is 2 Geiger counters. I will be measuring them. No X-rays. Increasing voltage. 6.5. Oh, we have okay, 6.5 volts. We have X-rays increasing higher. Okay, 7 volts. We have X-rays. Not much, but we have X-rays. Let's disconnect. Let's do a quick measure of the power. Okay, I will stand behind protection and you will see the live measurement. Okay, let's do it. 5 volts, no X-rays. 6 volts, 6.5. Okay, we're starting to generate X-rays. Let's slowly increase. 7 volts. 7.5. We have 23 milliseconds. Let's stop it here. I will leave the room and I will turn it on half of the power that I can give it. I will leave the room for this. I know you guys would like to see a full power test of the tube, so I will do full power that I can give with this driver, but I can do 20 volt, but I will only do 15 just for the demonstration. Okay, let's do 16 volt. I will leave the room for this to avoid myself getting exposed. I have a small extension cord going to outside of the room so I can turn it on and off. Okay. Okay, I have just reviewed the footage and that is terrifying. There is no words that can express this. Let's see if I can wipe out the image sensor on this phone. This is the button that will control the X-ray generation. It has 10-meter cable which will go outside of my room. And now we will do small experimentation at full power. Very angry vacuum tube. I've done a few measurements. I've did a measurement from 30 centimeter away and it gave out about 60 millisieverts. Obviously I wasn't in the room to measure it, I just used my camera and ruler. to measure 30 centimeter from the vacuum tube. Here it is. And I've calculated it to be about 450 millisieverts from 10 centimeter away. Of course, that's theoretical. It might be less or more. I have a 80 kilovolt tube arriving in about 20 days. Guys, I have the X-ray intensifying screen. This is the original cassette for it. I pulled this off of it, and I will show you a picture of how it looks like when just there is blank and there is just the point, the tube sending the radiation at the screen. Okay, now is the time for us to try to X-ray something. First of all, it will be this lighter. Let's go. Well, I mean, this is all for this video. Honestly, it has been such a roller coaster. Next video will be maybe in like a few weeks, and I'll have a very big X-ray tube, and we'll try to X-ray things a little bit larger, maybe like the size of this multimeter, and then we will see how it goes. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and share the video. Goodbye.